I have tested 429 AI tools in the last 6 months. 429. Most of them are solving problems I don't have. 5 of them are running my business. I'm going to show you exactly which 5, and the 3 that took my money and gave me nothing back. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete AI stack built specifically for network marketing, not for a Shopify store, not for a tech startup, for a person to person business, the kind that runs on relationships, trust, and conversation, and the whole thing costs less than $130 a month. Here's why you should listen to me and not the other guys making top AI tools videos right now. They read articles. I actually use the tools. 90 to 100 hours a week for the last 9 months. Learning, testing, building, breaking things, and starting over. I've been in network marketing for decades. I know what moves a business in this industry. And I've spent the last 6 months figuring out exactly which AI tools serve that model and which ones don't. Nobody has done this specific research for network marketers until now. Here's the problem nobody is talking about. There are over 10,000 AI tools on the market right now. 10,000. And 88% of marketers are using AI in some form, but only 33% say they're actually winning with it. You see what that gap tells you? Most people are buying tools. The people winning are building systems. A tool sitting alone in your browser does nothing. A tool connected to other tools, triggered by actions running in the background, working while you sleep. That's a system. That's what we're building today. This is your thinking partner. Every network marketer I know has the same problem. They run out of words. They don't know what to say to a prospect who went cold. They don't know how to explain the opportunity without sounding like a pitch. They don't know how to write a follow-up that doesn't feel like a follow-up. Claude solves all of that. You paste in a prospect's message, the one that went sideways, and you ask, how do I respond to this? You get a human quality answer in 30 seconds. In your voice, tuned to the relationship. It writes your team training content. It drafts your scripts. It researches any topic you point it at. It thinks with you, not just for you. $20 a month, under $1 a day. If you only get one tool from this video, this is the one. Tool number 2, HeyGen. Video builds trust faster than any other medium, period. Every study, every algorithm, every piece of data says the same thing. But here's the reality for most network marketers. You won't record yourself consistently. Life gets in the way. You don't like how you look on camera. You don't have a setup. You run out of energy. HeyGen removes every single one of those excuses. You build a clone, your face, your voice, your gestures, one time. Then you paste in a script and the clone delivers it. Team training videos, product explanation videos, prospect follow-up videos, educational content for your channel, all produced in your voice while you're doing something else entirely. I have 3 clones built right now: a suit, a sport shirt, and a black hoodie, which is the one you're looking at right now. This is not science fiction. This is Tuesday morning at 6 a.m. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. And this one pairs directly with HeyGen. ElevenLabs clones your voice, not a robot approximation of your voice. Your actual voice, the one you spent a lifetime developing. I recorded for an hour following their professional protocol. The result is a voice clone I use in every single video I produce. Here's why this matters. The voice is where trust lives in network marketing. If a prospect watches your video and something sounds slightly off, slightly synthetic, the trust doesn't transfer. ElevenLabs at the professional level removes that problem. $22 a month. Your voice working for you around the clock. Tool number 4, Perplexity AI. Most people think of this as just another search engine. It's not. It's your research engine. Here's how I use it. Before I create any piece of content, any video, any post, any training, I run the topic through Perplexity. It doesn't just return links. It synthesizes information from across the web and hands me a brief. Current data, recent sources, actual insights, not 10-year-old articles. For a network marketer, this means you always know what's happening in your industry right now. What are people searching for? What problems are they trying to solve? What's the conversation happening in your niche this week? Perplexity answers all of that in under 2 minutes. When you combine Perplexity research with Claude for writing, you have a content machine that never runs out of valuable things to say, and that is the foundation of building trust at scale. Tool number 5, and this is the one that most people haven't heard of yet. Manus. Claude thinks with you. Perplexity researches for you. Manus goes and works for you. It's an autonomous AI agent. You give it a goal, you walk away, it browses the web, gathers information, compiles it, and delivers a finished result without you touching it again. I've been using Manus since it first came out. Early days, rough edges. I loved it anyway because I could see what it was becoming. Here's a real example of how a network marketer uses this. You tell Manus, find me the top 10 objections people have about joining a direct sales business in 2026 with sources. You come back an hour later. It's done. Not a list of links, a finished brief, ready to use. That's a different category of tool entirely. That's not assistance. That's delegation. And delegation, whether to a person or an agent, is how you scale without burning yourself out. Now, the 3 that cost me money and cost me time. Waste number 1, Jasper AI. It's marketed as the brand voice content tool. It is built for marketing teams managing guidelines across 10 writers. You are one person with a voice that's already distinctive. Claude does everything Jasper does for less than half the price. Don't buy it. Waste number 2, Enterprise CRM AI add-ons, HubSpot Pro, Salesforce, the ones with AI powered in the description. These platforms are built for sales teams of 20 to 50 people with dedicated operations staff. The learning curve alone will cost you 40 hours you don't have, and the pricing starts at $800 a month for the features that are actually worth having. You are not a sales team. Don't buy a sales team's tools. Waste number 3, generic AI writing tools, copy.ai, WriteSonic, the ones with polished demos and shiny output. Here's the problem. Network marketing runs on authentic personal voice. Generic AI content is the exact opposite of what builds trust in a person-to-person business. The output looks great. It sounds like nobody. And in this business, sounding like nobody means selling nothing. One more. This one's a bonus because at $6 a month, it almost feels embarrassing to charge for it. Buffer. It publishes your content, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, on a schedule you set once. You batch everything on Friday. You stay visible every day. $6 a month. Don't overthink it. Just get it. Here's what I need you to understand before you close this video. These are not 5 tools. This is one system. Perplexity finds what matters. Claude turns it into content. ElevenLabs gives it your voice. HeyGen puts your face on it. Manus handles the tasks you used to do manually. Total cost, under $130 a month. The wind is blowing right now in network marketing. You don't want to be walking into it. You want it at your back. This stack puts the wind at your back. If this gave you something real today and something you can use tomorrow morning, subscribe. Hit the bell, because this is just video 1. Every week, I'm going to bring you exactly this, specific, tested, no-hype AI systems built for the way network marketers actually work. Not theory, not demos, not what someone read in an article. What actually works, tested across 429 tools, delivered from someone who is building this business in real time, right alongside you. I'll see you next week.